What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how to make your very own prefabs in Unity, because soon we're going to be making our own characters and all that. So I'm just warming you guys up for like making your own custom characters, because I do not want you guys to copy me. I want you guys to learn by yourself and do everything by yourself. Well, I'm going to show you how to do it, and then you do something a bit different by yourself. So I'm going to show you today how to make a prefab, and let's get into the video now. So first thing I'm going to remind you, because subscribe, because we need 2 subs to reach 800. I know this is so close. I'm going to be doing a hand cam on Fortnite Mobile to prove I don't use a controller, a keyboard or mouse. I use my fingers, and I also don't use macros. So that's going to be good if I reach 800 subs. I might be live streaming it. If we're about to hit it on the weekend, I will be live streaming it. So make sure to check that out. But if we just hit it today or tomorrow, then I'll just stream another one. They're like 900 or 1k subscribers. I'm definitely streaming 1k subscribers, but I'm not sure about 900. But maybe I can stream the 800 if we hit it on the weekend. I don't know, but we'll see about that. But anyway, back to the video. We're getting off topic. So obviously open up Unity first once you're here, and then Aryan IT, a project for Unity, or whatever you named it. Open that up, your project, and then if the grass grows, you should have your old project that you saved in the last video. I actually forgot to tell you guys to save it, so hopefully you guys saved it. I've told you a couple times to make sure to save it, so I'm not going to be telling you guys to save it from now on. That's a you problem if you don't do it, not a me problem. So make sure to save it. I'm saying to you now, make sure to save it. So right now, this is not a road, this is just a piece of block, right? And I want to add some prefabs to it. Prefab is just like an object that you make in your game, just to add some like little, it just adds more to your game, really. Like for example, trees, they make instead of having this everywhere, you could have trees laid around here on the side. So go ahead and think of something to do with this road, like make a little prefab on your road. So like for example, trees, red lights, I don't know, just make something, just make any prefab and put it here. But if you can't think of one, then you can copy me if you want, and then make your own. Then make your own once you've learned how to actually do one properly. So so I'm just gonna do mine. I'm gonna be making a street light for this road right here. So wait, let me make this a bit bigger. 1 second. There we go. Okay, so now you can see my game a bit more. So now I'm gonna make a street light for this. So I'll just do one street light. How I'm going to be making this street light is I'm going to go into game object and spawning a cylinder, and then I'm going to bring this up a bit. Remember to use these controls as I taught you in the last video. I'm pretty sure it was, I'm not sure, but in one of the videos I definitely told you to use these things. I'm just going to make this a bit thin, around that size. No, more thin. No. So as you can see, if you make it a bit more whoa. Okay, if you make it really thin, it's gonna turn out not like a circle, it's gonna be like an oval. As you can see, wait, let me go up, there we go. So it's like an oval shape. We don't want that, so we just go to here, and I'll just make it a bit big. There we go, and then I'll make this a bit like in. I don't know, and then we'll just do this. That's a bit better, I guess. Yeah, that's more like a circle now. So we'll just 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh crap. It's a bit too much, but yeah, that's good. For now. And then we'll make this a bit smaller. Actually, we'll make it a bit bigger. There we go. So that's our like little pole area. So now we're just gonna move it to where we want. So I'm just gonna move it to here. Move it down a bit to here. Now I'm gonna bring it down here. Right there. Okay. Round so like it's touching, just touching. Really close. Oh. There we go. That should. Yep, that's good. Let's just bring it a bit down now. Down to the side. There we go. That's good. So that's our first pole. As you can see, it's not a very good. What was it called? God. Oh God, I'm forgetting now. What's that? The street light. Yes, there we go. It's just the pole of the street light now. Now I'm gonna make, let's make this a bit bigger actually. It's really small. Let's do like to there. That's good. Alright, and we'll just bring this a bit up, so like that. And then we'll see how tall that is. That's a bit too tall, so I'll just bring it down to there. Then we'll bring it down again. There we go. Alright, so now it's good. So this is our pole so far, right? So we'll just this is our pole. So now I want to make a little diagonal thing to actually make the pole look like a street light. So how you can do that is you select this and press Control and then D, and then as you can see, oh crap, I spammed it. Don't hold it down, otherwise as you can see in the thingy, what's that called? The sample scene area, it's gonna spam with cylinders, so you don't want that. Just copy at least 2 of these, just make 2. So I'm just gonna leave it with, so 1, 2, alright, so we'll delete this one. Okay, so now we have these 2. As you can see, if you move it now, 1, and you have 2. There you go. So you have 2, and then if I move this one now, it's just the 1. So if you press Control D, it'll duplicate, and then yeah, you can duplicate, as you can see. So now we're just gonna shrink this down a bit, I think. Now we're gonna rotate this. So this is where the tools come in handy. So we're just gonna rotate it a bit like that way. It's like, there we go. That way. That's perfect. Yep. Exactly how I want it to be. Now it's like that. So now we're just gonna bring it to the side, bring it down. We'll use E to fly up a bit. There we go. So now we'll bring it up a bit. There we go. So that's good. No, it's not good. That's not good. Alright, let's just, so as you can see, you got to line up your things to look like an actual, you know, thing. Street light. I keep forgetting the name. So you just gotta make it like a street light sort of. And then instead of, you can actually delete this. So like, I'm just gonna delete it right now. So then you can just copy this one, Control D, and then move it here. Bang, I'm smart, right? Oh my god. Instead of wasting your time lining it up, you can just make it even more perfect. Look. Oh my gosh. I'm so good. I'm correct. Okay. So now we're just gonna make the actual light bit of it. So now let's go into game object, spawn in a cube. So here's the cube. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Chill, cube, chill. Alright, now we're gonna make it shrink a bit. So where's the shrink tool? Shrink tool. Oh, there it is. Right. So shrink down. There we go. That's good. That's a good size. Then bring it up a bit. Alright, so we'll bring it a bit down. Oh, I'm moving the sun. I just realized that. Oh my god. Here, we'll reset the suns. If you accidentally hit the sun, just reset it to that. Now, it's gonna come up here. There. That's good. Okay, so now, let's bring this over to here. Make sure it's a bit down. Bring it to the side. And you can always make it smaller, so I'm just gonna make it a bit small. Small. So you're just trying to play with the light till you get a good decent size. There we go. That's good. Right there. That's perfect size. Let's just bring it a bit to the side, a bit up. There we go. That's good. That's good. Right there is good. Now we're gonna spawn in a sphere to make the actual light. So we're gonna go here and spawn a sphere. Bring this up, and then all we need, this is pretty easy, this is the easy part here. All we're gonna do is you're gonna go down here and put it under here to make like the little bulb of the light. So let's just get it to here. Oh god, this is hard. Come on, there we go, finally. Come on, there we go. Yes. And there, you gotta just, there we go. And we'll shrink it a bit. So it's like that. Alright, that's good, that's good. Right there's good. So now we're just gonna bring it here, up to the side. There. So let's bring it to the side more. Make it a bit smaller so it actually looks like a light bulb. Shrink. Shrink more. There we go. So you're gonna make it look like an egg sort of, I guess. Yep, that's good. And then we'll bring it up to here. And there we go. That's our street light. Very impressive. Okay, we'll just move this a bit there and move that a bit there. That's good. Alright, so now we're gonna make our materials because it just looks like a white thingy. I don't know what you call this, but it doesn't look that good of a street light. So we're gonna create a new material and name it gray metal, I guess. I don't know. No, we're gonna name it, what should we name this? I don't know. Let's make it street. No. Light. I'll just name it street light. Yeah, street light's good. Change the color to like this yellowish color. No, green. And we'll get it to the darker areas. So if this moves, thank you. Alright, so about there. That's about no, up a bit. So about up. There we go. That's good. So now we're just gonna chuck it on here. We always would, and then we'll stick it on here. Then we'll stick this last bit on. There we go, that's good. Now we're gonna make this as yellow, so we're gonna make a new material now. Create material, name it yellow. As you can see, it's not yellow, it's kind of whitish, but we're just gonna make it yellow to the yellow section. I'm gonna bring this up. There we go, that's our yellow. And then we're just gonna chuck it on to here. There we go. As you can see, it doesn't really look like anything right now. It looks really bad. So all we're gonna do is make the metallicness a bit higher and make the smoothness a bit. We're gonna make the metallicness lower so it looks just like shiny now, sort of. I don't know. or you could just make the metallicness super high. But I don't mind what you guys do, at least if it looks good for you. This, I don't know if the all metallic looks good. I'm gonna put this on like 50%. There we go, that's like a gold. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so if you want to copy my yellow, that's the settings. The metallic is on 1 and the smoothness is on 0.526. So you can just copy that. And yeah, that is gonna be our street light. Let's just make that a bit smaller. So let's make that a bit in. There we go. So then that's our street light. Now, so as you can see, when you drive, it's like a street light, as you can see now. So yeah, so that is gonna be it for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and please subscribe. Or wait, actually, let's try to do that live stream I was talking. No, I'm kidding. You can subscribe if you want. And share this video to anyone you like. I don't mind if you share it or if you don't share it. But yeah, that's it from me. And go try this out. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out. Okay.